In this section, we are going to discuss pressure and hydraulic jacks. In the last section, we saw that pressure is very similar to stress. Pressure is just a force applied over a given area, or force divided by area. Many times, that force that we are using will be the weight force of an object. Our equation circle for pressure looks like this. We have force on top and pressure and area on the bottom. Our English units for force will be pounds, pressure will be pounds per square inch or PSI, and the area will be square inches. The metric unit for force is newtons, pressure is pascals or newtons per square meter, and the area will be in square meters. Before we look at any examples that we have to solve, let's think about how force and pressure are related. If we have the same weight on two different types of shoes, we know the one with more area will apply less pressure. We looked at this example in the last unit. The same thing is true for vehicles. If we have the same weight that is spread out over more area, more tires, or a larger track, then less pressure is applied, so it is easier to stay above the snow or mud. In the next video, we will look at how we can apply the force, pressure, area formula.